Hello viewers, I still remain Teju, and in my last video I talked about the sound. First of all, we talked about the first 7 vowel sounds, and I talked about the sound, which is the first vowel sound. Now we're moving on to the next sound, which is the sound. What did I call it? Sound. Very brief, is not stressed, so it's just as brief as it is in words. So let's move on. In this video, we're going to be talking about 2 kind of sound. We have the tricky sound and also the normal sound. So let's get to the class. Sound, as in bed. Bed. We have set. Set. Just the way it sounds in word, that's exactly the way it is written. We have words like check. Remember that in phonetics, this is the way we write our CH. Ch. K. Check. Bet. Bet. Fed. Fed. Red. Red. Let's make sentences with these words. Bed. The little girl is on the bed. Another word is, please check the time for me. Please check the time for me. For me. Remember, I called this section sentence formation. The words we got from the sound we used it to make few sentences. Sentence formation. Now the next one we're going to be doing is the tricky words. What did I call it? The tricky words. Let's go now. The tricky word is leisure. Leopard. A lot of times people call this leopard, but it's pronounced leopard. The O is a silent sound. Leopard. Leopard. We have words like head. Head. The A is silent. Bread. Bread. We have another word like pleasure. Pleasure. So these are the tricky words. Do you notice that they have words that are not pronounced? Like here we have the E sound not pronounced, the O sound, here the R sound, and another R sound. So these are the tricky sound words. So let's move on to sentence formation. Let's use some of the words we got to make sentences. Sentence formation. The leopard has spot. The leopard has spot. Number 2. She had 5 loaves of bread. 5 loaves of bread. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel.